Hello everybody, welcome. You're at the Christmas cocktail channel for Drunken Sailor. If you haven't met me before, I am Bill the Drunken Sailor. Today we're going to show you how to make a great Christmas cocktail. And it's a little bit different than the ones we've made before. This one is a Tiki cocktail. So if you're interested in making Christmas Tiki, stick around as we make the Nui Nui. Let's get pouring. This cocktail originates back in the 1930s, and it was made by Don the Beachcomber. Don was infamous for keeping his recipe secret, and it wasn't until Dave Barry decided that he was going to deconstruct and rebuild the cocktail that we really knew what was in it. The way legend has it is David finished what he thought was going to be a great cocktail, and what he did is he gave it to two of the people sitting at the bar. One of them was one of his friends and who was actually from Polynesia. And he said, "Hey, what do you think?" Well, his friend looks at him and says, "Nui Nui, more." So Don thought he had that recipe down. Well, it's a little bit more complex than a lot of the cocktails that we make, but the Nui Nui is well worth it. So let's begin our build. We're going to start in here with a couple of different syrups. Our first syrup is actually a vanilla syrup, and it's parts of sugar, water, and vanilla bean. And we're going to use in there 1/4 of an ounce. We're going to follow that up with a cinnamon syrup, and that is going to be another 1/4 of an ounce. Next ingredient going in there is going to be a lime, and we're going to use some fresh lime in there. So let's cut this up, and we're going to use a 1/2 of an ounce. And the way these limes have been juicing, that's about a 1/2 of a lime. So we'll take that, we'll put that in our press, and we are going to just put that right in there. Gotta love fresh limes, they squeeze everywhere. We're going to follow that up with some fresh orange, and I've already cut a 1/2 of an orange for that one. And that's going to use in there about a 1/2 of an ounce also. Put that in there, we're going to give that a squeeze. And that gives us all the juices that were in there. We're going to follow that up. 1 dash of Angostura bitters. And of course you're looking at the bar saying, well, we're missing stuff. We're missing rum. You got to have rum for a great Tiki cocktail. And we're going to use a couple of different rums on here. We're going to use a Demerara rum, which comes from the region of Guyana, near the Demerara River. And we're going to use another aged golden rum. So, eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Let's start with our Demerara rum. And I'm using today the Eldorado 8-year. And for that, I am going to use 1.5 ounces. This stuff smells great, tastes great. You're going to love it. And we're going to follow that up with a golden rum. And for that, let's use the Appleton Estate today. And we're going to put another 1.5 ounces of that in there. Something about a bottle with a cork. That just sounds festive. And 1.5 ounces there. Okay, before we finish this up, we've got one last twist that we're going to put in there. And that is some allspice, or also known as pimento dram. And this has got a whole bunch of different flavors to it. It's got some allspice in there. It's got some cinnamon in there. It's got a dozen different flavors in there. And you're going to put in there about 3/4 of a teaspoon. Now my bar spoon is about a 1/2 of a teaspoon. So we're going to do 1 full one and then 1 partial one. If you go over on it, that's not too bad either, because this stuff is really tasty. Now what I want to do is I'm going to blend that up. I'm going to take and put a little bit more ice in there. I'm going to get my blender out. I'm going to wipe up my mess because I'm good at making messes. Get the blender. Now this is going to be a very, very quick blend on there. It's going to be called a flash blend. And just 5 or 6 seconds on it. And that's all we really need to do. Let's get this out of the way. And we're going to get our tiki glass out. Now normally we would strain a glass, but because we blend this stuff, we're going to do a dirty pour. And we're just going to dump that in the glass. I want to top it off with just a little bit more ice. So now that we've got it poured, we need to garnish. And for a garnish, we're just going to do a simple mint sprig in there. And let's grab a sprig there. You're just going to put that in the palm of your hand, give it a slap. That's going to express those oils. It's going to give you that aroma. And there you have today's Christmas cocktail, the Nui Nui. Merry Christmas, everybody. Enjoy.